So in this video, I will show you the best way to use your ambient occlusion pass from Unreal Engine 5. So if you don't know about the ambient occlusion pass, basically it is used to get better shadows. In the left side, you can see without ambient occlusion, and in the right side with ambient occlusion. So in my case, I was using this character. So you can see there, this is the default render, and this is the ambient occlusion pass. If you don't know how to render this ambient occlusion pass, you can just watch this video. After, when you render your ambient occlusion, it will look something like this. And I'm using this software called Nuke. If you're using After Effects or DaVinci Resolve, it doesn't matter. You just have to follow the process. So in the Nuke, we have to kind of extract that thing from the main pass EXR1. But if you have a separate ambient occlusion render, like in a PNG or something like that, you don't have to use this shuffle node. So basically this shuffle node is used to extract the ambient occlusion pass. You can see there, ambient occlusion. Then what you have to do is you have to use a merge node. If I just click on this one, you can just press tab and you can search for merge. Then you will get this merge node, and I'm damn sure that you will get this merge node in every software like After Effects, DaVinci Resolve. So you have to just find this merge node, and in the merge node, you have to make sure that you use multiply operation. You will get so many operations. You have to use this multiply one. By default, it will be an over or screen. You have to make this thing multiply, and then you have to just connect your A2, your merge one, and your main image, like your main render, to your B channel. And then when you enable this thing, you will see that you're getting the shadows. If I show you, you can see we are getting the ambient occlusion shadows in the hands also, and in the, I think in the face also, and this area, and in this area also. So basically that's the use of the ambient occlusion. And one problem you will face while using this one, I don't know if it is like you will face this one, but in my case, you can see there that my background is kind of changing with the ambient occlusion. That's because I'm not having any kind of alpha channel to my render. So that's why I'm getting this type of issue, but you will not gonna see this type of problem. So in order to fix this thing, what you can do, you can just take your ambient occlusion pass again, Control C, Control V this. Then you can just connect this one. You will get this thing again. Just add a grade node. Press G on your keyboard and it will add a grade node. In this one, you can just increase your white point like this and make sure that it's kind of pure white like this. And now you can use this thing as a mask for your transparency. So you just have to connect this thing mask one to your grade. And now if you see there, it is not affecting our background. If I enable and disable, you can see this is not working properly. Problem with the grade node is we are not getting the alpha properly. But actually, if I just switch to alpha channel, this one, you can see this is pure black. If you can't see the white area in the alpha channel, it means your pass is not working properly. So what you have to do is you just have to use a RGB, or you can just search for alpha. And now when you add this node, you can see in the alpha channel also we are getting the alpha. So now this is working properly. And now if you connect this mask to your main one, you will see that our ambient occlusion is working properly. You can see there. And it is not also affecting our background. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I think this will help you. Thank you for watching.